Chicago Pizza Party.
I'm Gino Rego with Panino's Pizzeria, member United States Pizza Team.
Lenny Rego with the United States Pizza Team, also an owner of Panino's Pizzeria.
I'm Bruno Brunetti, owner of Panino's Pizzeria, member of the United States Pizza Team, ambassador for Galbani Cheese, and we'd like to welcome PMQ Magazine.
We're at the Chicago Pizza Party. We got 3 of our more popular varieties here. So we got the elote, which is one of the more popular specials we've ever done. It's basically like the Mexican street food, but on pizza. So Chicago's not just deep dish. We also do a great thin crust. We're kind of the metal pizza place of Chicago. So you're gonna come in, you're gonna hear all types of different music, rock music, metal. We're open until 5 a.m. on the weekends. So all the nightclub people, all the bar people, all the different music venues, we're the hot spot at night.
Hi, my name is Brian Tondrick. I'm the owner of Bartoli's Pizzeria. We're in the Roscoe Village neighborhood of Chicago, and we are attending the Chicago Pizza Party for the 2nd year. Last year we won the Chicago Pizza Party with Best Deep Dish. The crust is light, it's flaky, it's not overly heavy. We don't weigh down the pizza with too much cheese or ingredients. So it's a very well balanced deep dish. Some deep dish pizzas are really heavy. Ours is a little bit on the lighter side.
We've been in business for 20 years in the Chicagoland area. This is our jumbo size pizza, the whole thing right here. We cut them into 8s, and when we do anything from the original pan pizza to stuffed pizzas, thin crust and gluten free. We got a little bit for everything, for every nature.
What's up, guys? My name's Nick. I'm here from Roots Pizza. We're here at the Chicago Pizza Party. Super excited to be a part of it. One of the things I love about the Chicago Pizza Party is that we're not a Chicago-style pizza. We are actually a Quad City-style pizza right on the Illinois-Iowa border. So as you can see, we cut our pizza long rectangle shapes instead of pie cut. We also put malt in the crust, which makes it a sweeter crust with a spicier sauce, which I absolutely love.
So the King's Pizza is kind of more of a artisan type of pizza. It's not your typical Chicago deep dish pizza, but more of a flat crust, kind of a coal-fired type of pizza.
So we have 2 locations here in Chicago. We serve Neapolitan style pizza. We're trying to bring a diverse style of pizza to the Chicagoland area, where most people are used to deep dish, but we do a true traditional Neapolitan style pizza.
At our restaurant, we serve many different styles of pizza. One thing about Chicago is that many people think that we only have deep dish, but there's a ton of variety of different pizzas. We serve our pizza, we serve thin pizza, we serve a Sicilian pan pizza, deep dish pizza, Chicago style.
We serve Detroit style pizza. Today we are serving our traditional cheese with our homemade tomato sauce and basil, our meaty vegan sausage pizza, which is a bestseller.
We're serving barbecue chicken pizza, we're serving our pepperoni pizza, and our Danny's special. I think everybody wants their Chicago pizza. If I go to Arizona, there's, Bob's Chicago Pizza. If you go to San Francisco, there's Lou's Chicago Pizza.
So the name of the place is Angelo Stuffed Pizza. So it has a double layer. There's a bottom layer of dough, all the ingredients in the middle, top layer of dough, and then the sauce is on the top. So it's a little bit thicker than your usual pizza, but it's loaded with cheese. And the crust is nice and buttery.
All right, we are here at the Chicago Pizza Fest. I'm here with our fellow teammate, Giovanni Labate. Just met you here right now. So what do you think about all this, John?
Oh, it's really cool. We got a bunch of people from Chicagoland area presenting our pizzas today. The honey sriracha, Brickswood Fire Pizza. We got honey sriracha pizza and our pesto white pizza.
So our home-running pizzas are Chicago thin crust. So a lot of people think about Chicago pizza as a thick crust, but I think the secret really is Chicagoans really like thin crust. We've been around for 71 years, and we like to say that we are Chicago's all-natural thin crust pizza.
Today we're serving up pepperoni pizza rolls and salsa pizza rolls. Probably the number one item over at Bottle Blonde. We're a high-energy pizza parlor with great sports, great food, great cocktails.
We're known for our middleweight pizza. We also have deep dish and stuffed. Chicago-style pizza, deep dish or stuffed, is what people always ask about.
Guys, Tawny Gillen here at Tawny OVO XO, and I won tickets to the Chicago Pizza Party 2018, and I'm so happy because it was so lit here. Hi, we're live at Chicago's Pizza Party, and we love pizza!
We love cheese, we love sauce, and dough!
Pepperoni! That's all day!
What's up, everybody? My name is Jacob Wayne. I'm a local Chicago artist. I'm here at Chicago Pizza Party. First time, I'm doing a little live painting.
So hashtag Lunch Bag is all about every month we feed the homeless. Every last Saturday each month we feed about 1,200 to 2,000 homeless people. So today our mission is all leftover pizzas are going to charity.
Here at the buy station, we are providing hydration for all of the party goers. Super fun.
We're number one. We're not gonna take number two. Some people say New York. It's in Chicago, baby. Everything's in Chicago.
Pizza TV, when pizza happens, we're there.